Hello, my name's George. I'm head of social media here at SeaPigs, and today here at SeaPigs HQ, we've got a wonderful little surprise from one of our testers. So, as some of you may or may not know, we currently have a team of about 10 testers up and down the country testing our wonderful drifters. Lots of great reviews so far, and one of them, Alice in particular, has sent us this wonderful little package in the post. She didn't really tell us she was doing it. She just sort of said, surprise, here's a thank you gift for letting me be part of the testing team. And we really appreciate it. So Alice actually runs a company called Pit-Tastic, as you can see there. So let's get into it and find out. And we're back. So nice, just cut that open nice and easily. I'll be careful not to let it fall out. But as you can kind of see, if I get the packaging a bit close, you can see it's all biodegradable packaging, very environmentally conscious, and that's great. So obviously here at SeaPigs, we're very big on the environment, sustainability, etc. Just because we think it's really important, and that's why we're very happy Alice is part of the testers team, because as you can tell by the packaging, Pit-Tastic has the exact same principles, which we love. So let's have a cheeky open and see what's inside. Slight chance to open this upside down. Let's just fix that. There we go, that's better. Oh, there's a message. What does the message say? From trotters to pits, thanks for the SeaPigs. Here's the cute Prezi. Different ones in each tin, hope one suits you. Love, Alice. Oh, and she put a hashtag there. So yeah, I'll put the link stuff at the bottom. So there are 5 tins, and there's actually 5 people at SeaPigs, so that'll be 1 each. As the one who's opening them, I'm getting first dibs, so everyone can fight me. So let's just have a little sniff. So the first smell we have is rose and geranium. Not entirely sure what geranium is. I think it's a flower. It's a very strong smell actually. Very impressed by that. Like that one. Next we have, oh, I like purple. Orris and sandalwood. Sandalwood, we love a bit of sandals here. Okay, I think it's my favourite one. I can't really explain it, but it's got like a almost sweet hint to it, but like, I can't explain it. Like that one's really floral as you'd expect from it, that's great. I'm personally not a big floral smell person, but like I can appreciate a good floral smell. And this one has like a more earthy, sweet smell to it. That's probably not the best way to explain it. I'm sure Alice will be in the comments somewhere saying the correct way to describe these smells. As you can tell, Alice isn't actually where we're even making this video, so fingers crossed I have lots of correct information here, otherwise we will have to refill. Next one, lemon and lime. Can't go wrong with lemon and lime. Okay, it's my favourite. I know I've said it for free, but it's my favourite one. I absolutely love citrusy things. Like, I'm not a big fan of floral, but love citrus. Anything citrus, drink, smell, whatever. Love citrus. So I'm currently calling dibs on that one. Next we have salt purple. So that's the sandalwood again, I believe. Yes, the Orris and sandalwood. Same as before. I mean, it smells great. It's nice to know there's consistency between the products though, so that's good. And the last one we have. Okay. There we go. And the last one we have orange and grapefruit. Never mind, it's my favourite. I can't think what it is, but it smells like a sweet. There's a specific sweet this reminds me of, and I can't think what it is, and it's going to bug me. I'm going to have to message Alice and find out if that's intentional. But yeah. Yeah, I think it's my favourite one. I'm calling dibs on this one. They can fight over the rest. I mean, they're all great smells, so I don't think they'll all complain, but yeah. And as well as the packaging as well, just since I'm calling dibs on this one, I'm opening this one properly. So it's got a little information at the back, so it's got all the ingredients and such, so if you do have any sort of skin concerns, like sensitive skin, etc., it's got all the products there, so you can quite easily see if there's anything you're allergic to. Also love the packaging, like it's nice, it's just nice and neat. I love nice little neat packaging. You just peel this sticker off, and then inside we have, yeah, and I believe, I'll put in the bottom if I'm wrong, but I believe this is vegan, all cruelty free, great for the environment, no aluminum, I keep forgetting which one's English and which one's American, no nasties, that's the main thing. It's all sort of stuff that you can see on the website. I'll make sure it's linked at the bottom, those social medias and websites and such, but yeah, so that's Pit-Tastic. Thank you again to Alice for that, one of our incredible testers. Can't recommend enough you go and check them out. So that's it for the little Pit-Tastic review. I'm definitely calling dibs in this one. This is going straight in my bag, so no one can steal it from me. Yeah, so I definitely recommend checking them out. All the links and stuff will be in the bottom. I'll make sure to tag them. So yeah, Pit-Tastics, check them out. Tell them SeaPigs sent you. We love small businesses, supporting small businesses. What's not to love? So yeah, thank you for that, Alice. Much appreciated, and I look forward to hearing from you soon about how much you're enjoying your drifters. Fingers crossed, a lot. Bye, take care.